Hey friends, welcome back in our series of WordPress tutorial. Today in this video we will know how to uninstall WordPress from any website in Hostinger. Now let's start our video without wasting a single bit of time. So for installing you have to go on your hosting. Here you will get manage button. Click on that manage button. Now come to sidebar. Here scroll down and you will get a website option. Click on that. Now click on auto installer. Here you will get your website domain. So for installing, click on these three dots and click on delete. Delete installation files, delete database. Choose the option as per your need. If you want to delete database, then click on checkbox and click on delete. It will delete your all WordPress files that you want to delete. Now I have my main domain. I have performed that operation for my subdomain. Now I will repeat the same for my domain. Here I want delete installation files, delete database, and I will delete everything. Here you can see WordPress application was uninstalled successfully. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our WordPress playlist that might be helpful for you.